am a nature scientist, and I'm going to be exploring the rainforest with all of you for the next 4 days. This is my conservation crew. This is Lucy, Scooter, and Pickles, and all of these explorers, we're headed out into the rainforest so that we can learn who God is this week.
Hello, this is Vessel Traffic Service at Rainforest Falls, monitoring the boats coming down the river. Well, you need to know there's quite a few elevation changes as you go down the river, so you need to put on your seat belts and hold on tight. There's quite a few waterfalls, and one of them has a long drop. Girls in front, put on your seat belts. Everybody ready to count down? I believe I see your boat coming down the river now.
Wow, God! Seeing God's creation everywhere in this rainforest today is such a great reminder for us learning about what the nature of God is.
That's right, definitely. And after God made all of his creation, do you guys know what he did? He rested. Guys, I said rest, not sleep. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak, but he is strong. And many sons had fathered Abraham, I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. B-I-B-L-E, yes, that's the book of thee. I stand alone on the word of God. The B-I-B-L-E. Nicely done.
Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Did anybody see any God sightings last night? Yeah? What'd you guys see?
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Hold on! We made it. I have to show you guys something really important. It's the very reason why people travel from all over the world just to ride in my boat. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready for this? The backside of water! Look at that texture.
Here we go. That's it. Yeah, we're all in this together and we're having fun. We're here to spread the love of God to everyone. Gonna get a little crazy, yeah, a little wild. Here we go now, come give it a try. Move it to the left now. Move it to the right. Find someone you don't know and give them a high five.
We definitely explored the nature of God, right, guys? Would you agree, Pickles? Are you a little less nervous than when we started today?
Yes, I feel a whole lot better knowing that God is our safe place.
Wow.
Well done.
Wow, you guys. What a beautiful day it is today in the rainforest. All
I
that
agree.
rain must have helped us out.
Oh, I love it here. Imagine if we lived here.
As long as they have snacks, I'd live here.
What are you doing over there? Is that my magnifying glass?
Oh, yeah, it just fell into my hand while I was looking at these jungle ants.
Oh.
And if you look really close, they're in a line. It's a straight line. No, wait, it's a conga line. These guys are dancing.
What?
Oh, these things are amazing. Wow. They're so, how would you say, interesting?
Oh, they're interesting.
Yeah, well, Pickles said I should look closely at all God has made, so I did.
Move it to the left now. Move it to the left now. Move it to the right. Move it to the right. Find someone you don't know.
Over here now. Yay! High fives all around. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Sometimes I think maybe we even say some unkind things, even to people we care about.
You know, you're right, Lucy. We try to love others, but we're not always perfect, are we? Sometimes we choose not to do what's right. We really need Jesus to show us what God's perfect love really means.
I may never march in the infantry, ride in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly over the enemy, but I am the Lord's army.
In the back row, what about you?
I'm thankful for all the kids here.
All the kids here? Are you making a lot of friends?
His name is Jesus, and he came to save us. He is the light, 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 light of the world, and he shines all over the earth, shining bright, bright, bright. He is the light of the world. He is the light, 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 light of the world, and he shines all over the earth, shining bright, bright, bright. He is the light of the
Attention explorers, this is your captain speaking. This expedition is coming to a close. Please secure your tray tables and return your seats to their upright positions.
Really quickly, Skipper Jason.
Yeah.
We're not done just yet. We still have the rest of the day to explore today.
Oh,
So,
I didn't realize. Whew, I got so sad thinking we were already done.
Never mind, tiny explorers. You still have a few more hours to roam about the cabin before our expedition comes to a close.
You have what? You said you have a monkey on your boat? I'll send somebody to get him. I gotta go. Hello and welcome to Vessel Traffic Service at Rainforest Falls. Is everybody ready to go to the falls again today? Well, remember, you need to put on your seatbelts and hold on tight. Looks like I see your boat coming down the river now.
Successfully dock this boat without taking a chunk out of the pier.
God isn't just powerful for a moment, He is forever.
That's right.
God's kingdom, love, and promises never end.
I think we should do a quick review before we go, okay?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay, listen, everybody, we're going to review our whole week super fast, okay? So on day one of the expedition, who did we meet?
Tango, the
right,
Quetzal, who taught us about creation and that God is our creator.
Wow, God. Okay, the next day, who do we meet? We met.
Oh, I got this one. Dottie.
That's
Who told us about how God helped create a safe place for David. And that God is our safe place.
Wow, God.
Yesterday we met.
Oh, I know. We met Tia. She was the mama anteater. And she taught us about Jesus and how he loves us so much that he made the ultimate sacrifice to save all of us. God is love.
Wow, God.
All right, one more to go. Today we met
Howie.
That's right.
Yeah, he was the howler monkey who reminds us to share everything we've learned with others like an echo so that information goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
It's quite an echo.
Oh, sorry.
I think he's stuck. Maybe you should smack him.
Because God is forever.
Wow,
God.
That's right. Excellent work, everyone. You guys did a great job. It has been an incredible week. Thank you all so much for being here and for donating so generously to our friends at the Oasis After School program. Someone you don't know, give them a high five. Woo! 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 Stop your feet louder. Wave your hands up high. Wave your hands up high. Find somebody. I'm heading over here. Here we go. Woo! 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 Catch it! Catch it! Catch it! Catch it! Here we go.
We had a lot of fun this week. Your children are absolutely amazing. We love bringing the story of God to them, and we really had a good time.
I am Dr. Sandy Alsop, and I am a nature scientist, and I've been exploring all week long with all of these amazing explorers as we check out the nature of God.
I am not a tour guide. I am a skipper, if you guys remember. Master of the mud, captain of the canopy. That's me, wizard of the water, some people say. I have braved the wildest rivers. I've wrestled alligators. And once I even survived an entire day without any Wi-Fi. But before we get started on our exploration, let's start with one of our songs, guys. So on your feet, let's do Count Your Blessings together, okay?
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then as we promised, the reptile zoo is here with some very special guests. So if you want to check out some reptiles and amphibians from the rainforest, they're out in the courtyard here, and you are welcome to check them out. I highly recommend it.